Hello everyone, how are you? In this video we are going to prove a very nice geometrical question related to right angle triangle, in which we have to prove that AC plus AD to be equal to BC, where BC is the hypotenuse of the given triangle ABC, right angled at point A. Okay, now in order to prove this statement we have to take an assumption. But firstly we know that AB is equal to AC, and so their corresponding angle B and C will also be equal. Now draw a perpendicular DE which is perpendicular to the line BC, third side BC, that means on hypotenuse BC. Okay, by doing this we have to use two triangles DAC and DEC. Okay, we have to prove these two triangles to be congruent. In order to do this we have to take angle 1 to be equal to angle 2, because DC is the bisector, and so angle 1 and angle 2 will be equal. Similarly, angle A will be equal to angle A because both are 90 degree. Angle A is 90 degree as well as angle A is also 90 degree, because this is the perpendicular line to BC, and DC is the common side for both triangle DAC and DEC. Okay, so by angle side criterion these two triangles DAC and DEC will be congruent, and so their corresponding side DA to be equal to DE and AC to be equal to EC. Okay, again in triangle ABC we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, but angle B and C are equal. So by using this assumption and by simplifying we get angle B and angle C to be equal to 45 degree. Okay, that means angle B and angle C are equal and they are equal to 90 degree. Similarly in triangle BDE, okay, in triangle BDE we already know that angle A is 90 degree and angle B is 45 degree, so the third angle D will also be equal to 45 degree. And now DE and DA are equal as well as BE, and similarly AC and EC also equal. Okay, that means BC is equal to BE and AC is equal to CE. Okay, because BC is the combination of BE plus CE, and BE is equal to AD and CE is equal to AC. So by using this two assumption in the above equation, that means BC is equal to BE plus CE, we get BC to be equal to AD plus AC, that means AC plus AD is equal to BC.